All right, y'all, let's get right into it, man. We are in the new office currently, bruh. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We are in the new office, man. I am excited for it. This is a part of the $1 million desk setup, man. The $1 million trading desk setup. It's nothing real crazy, you know. I just got a few LED lights and plants. Just hooked it up in the way. Got the whiteboard. Y'all see the whiteboard in the back? I can actually see. Y'all probably can't see it, but over there, right behind me, is a whiteboard on the wall. Probably zoom out a little bit, actually. Yeah, you can see a little bit. The whiteboard. You see the LED lights. I got the screen. You know, bed behind me. And we are in it, man. I'll actually show a little bit of that in the video. Nothing crazy, bro. Just had to set it up, man, so we can get right to it. You know what I'm saying? It's like straight focus in here. You know what I'm saying? We're a very dedicated space. You want your environment to support you. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully my volume is coming in well too. We are already in the charts, as y'all can see. We are. Looks like we're trending up, right? And looks like we are. So if you go back to the higher time frames. We are starting to get a slight turnaround up in here. This could be, looks like we're gonna go up before we potentially go down. We got a 4-hour fair value gap here. That looks like we're on the races to get to. What else is going on? Yesterday, I messed up, guys. I gotta be completely honest. I freaking messed up. This is what I messed up on. I took a few trades. Trying to call myself, trying to keep it light, smooth, not too much. But I did the thing that I do that I'm just so used to doing. I hopped in there and I was like, I lost maybe 1 or 2 trades, was down 357. 2 trades after that, I ended up hitting my daily loss limit for the day. So that means we were down, I lost $1,000, right? We had just made $1,500 Friday. So not the type of setback I want to be running into, and then not the kind of trading day I want to have when I'm just trying to be chill and keep it light. Shouldn't have traded no more than 1 micro contract. But I did the thing that I be doing where, oh man, I think this is gonna go, and then I scale in heavy, and next thing you know, we a little in over our head. I can't handle the drawdown. I didn't think I was trying to rush, but now all of a sudden I'm rushing, and I just feel like this was a for sure trade, and it's not my A+ setup, and you're just totally off track. So luckily we have that mechanism in place to stop us, and yeah. So on today's trading day on Monday, you can see we created a fair value gap on that push up. Now I want y'all to see what happened on that push up, because I want y'all to see that, because this is the fair value gap that was created. Right, that price dipped into there, right? We're gonna say 4H fair value gap. Right, so price dipped into there already, trying to continue up on the open of Asian session. You can see price on today came out of that. Remember I said we was looking at a symmetrical or descending triangle, and ended up breaking out, retesting that, shooting up. Let's see that. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So on our 1 hour, we had some nice manipulation on the open. You see we swung up, swung down, ultimately closed up, and then continued up. And y'all see when we dip into the lower time frame, I messed this trade up. Really, I messed up as far as like, I was trying to trade Asian session before London, right before London, and was just going way too hard too soon. You can see the manipulation there. I didn't even give the market time to settle. You know what I'm saying? Before I'm trying to go and kill it. It's like, bro, chill, bro. Just chill, bro. Take it easy. You don't gotta rush or do nothing. You know what I'm saying? We're on the 30 right here. We go a little fair value gap right here and talk about. So we just have a 30-minute FVG. Right, got a 30-minute FVG right there. Let's go down to the 15. All right, as you can see, major 15-minute fair value gap right here. Major 15 FVG going on right there. Price literally, that is so clutch right there. Look at that. On the open. All you had to do is just wait. Just wait. Let it sweep. Let it do its thing. Some people probably got right here and turned this liquidity. You know what I'm saying? And then price slowing down first. Boom, hit that. Then watch this. We're going long. Stops under here. You don't want nothing past that. No way, you're in the wrong direction. Bro, this is a freaking monster trade right here, bro. Monster trade, bro. Monster fucking trade, bro. 12 to 1. 1 to 12. Risk to reward ratio, 1 to 10. If I would have had an even tighter stop, it just gets even sweeter. You know what I'm saying? Conservative stop, still nice. We got one of my stops under here, 1 to 5. We went nuts. I'll be running tight stops, so I ain't too worried about nothing. So the gap right there, we just want to execute it from there anyways. Stops right under that level, bow. That's all we need, man. And you could have executed that on the 15 minute. You ain't had to go down to the small time frames. Boom. 5 minute, just as sweet right there. It's in there. Maybe you want to wait on the counter closure before you got in. Still a hell of a deal, of a trade. I would have probably did my stops on there if I waited on that close. I probably would have had that to run his body maybe up in here, something like that. Boom. Monster trade. Maybe you just wanted this high right here. You just wanted to see if he was going to run past that high, but we had the gap already right here, so hey man. The trade was there. The trade was there. Even on the sell, was the sell there? The sell was there, my guys. The initial sell. The initial sell was there. Watch this. You got a whole fair value gap within there. It's 5 minute fair value gap. 5 minute FEG. Let's make sure I'm talking loud. My camera way over there, so hopefully it's picking up the volume good. Got a 5 minute fair value gap on the sell right here. So probably could have caught this 2 ways. We're gonna short it. Wow. So the thing is, it's like coming in there, executing that. Like we just hit a replay mode. Let's see. We got our joints marked out. I just want to do this one time. I just want to do this one time. Alright, we're going to replay. Alright, we're going to replay. Boom. So we step inside our area. Right there, potentially up. Look at that. So, alright, let's just execute the sell from there. Sell from there. TP gonna be down here. Stop loss. Go here. This gap. Let's see if we're gonna get to this gap. We already know we are, guys. So, alright, stops up. Locking some profits. Another little bit on these more profits. Maybe lock in more, even more profits. We just don't give a damn what the fuck happened. We had already locked in $8 grand. Boom, hit it. 22K a day off of one contract. That's doable. I don't know. I just wanted to run through that. Just wanted to do it. But simple as that. You know what I'm saying? I think what's important about this move too is that price came and swept highs. Before we did this, price came and swept this London high. Price came and swept this London high. Then it also swept this London low. So these are important areas to watch out for. I mean Asian low. Swept this Asian low. So these are important areas to watch out for. My strategy actually played out twice. We swept the high and we swept the low. And we got sales and we got buys. And then did we see the shift of structure on the 2 minute? Not really, but this was a move that had already played out, was already playing out, and you just really was waiting on price to return to the fair value gap before you took the sell. And then here, you did get a shift of structure after swept, but it was already, it's like it swept and it's already inside of a fair value gap. So it's like, it's already, the shift of structure is already there. This is double confirmation now since you got the move up, reach back in for the buy, boom. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, let's move on. Let's see what's going on in the news with my sisters, man. Let's see what's going on in the news, bro. My daughter's over there with my sister dyeing her hair pink right now. My sister's dyeing her hair pink, not my daughter. My daughter's hair is like a teal or something like that already. This is Monday, so we're looking for Tuesday. Let's go to calendar. Tuesday, what we got going on as far as US data? We got HPI, S&P, CS compiled HPI right year over year. Chicago PMI, we got the CB, consumer confidence, Joe's job openings. These are the most major news coming out. Let's go ahead and take a look in there, see what's going on. So actual greater than forecasted real currency release monthly and series of the current month on the last 2 days of the current month. Why traders care? Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Okay. So it says a survey of about 3,000 households, which adds respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. This is the Conference Board, CB. U.S. Consumer Confidence. They said, offsetting the improvement in household perception of labor market. U.S. consumer confidence eased in May as worries about inflation linked to the war with Iran intensified, offsetting an improvement in household perception of the labor market. So it sounds like they're saying there, with consumer confidence easing, before that, it was worrying about inflation because of the war, and this offset or created or led to an improvement in the household perception of the labor market. So basically, it was still hopeful, had hopeful thoughts for the labor market, which is good. I mean, it's good. You know, people they love to get in a panic, man. Love to get in a panic. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out the Joe's job openings. Let's go. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Number of job openings during the reported month, including farming industry. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, released monthly about 35 days after the month ends. So this is gonna be for, what is this? Actually, this is August 4th. This is gonna be, we did June 2nd, but this one is coming out June 30th? May, March, that don't make sense. Oh, man, it say June 2026, so what is this? That's weird. Okay, maybe that was something I'm not understanding, because you got March, May, then June, okay, whatever. It's released late, but can impact the market because job openings are a leading indicator of overall employment. Yeah, job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. So pretty much this is all I got. So going forward, anyways, guys, let's get back in there. So we got 9 a.m. news to look out for. I'll just type that in here. We're gonna just do that. 9 a.m. news, votes, and CD. Cool, I'll leave that in there for me. So going forward, man, like I said, bro, we just gonna take our time. Like I said, wait for these openings. With a 1 to 10, bro, that means I could have risked $100 and made 1,000, or I could have risked a couple hundred, made 2, whatever. You know what I'm saying? 150 made 15, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I think for the most part, I think we're gonna run up to this next. We may get a slight sell-off. I'm just, like I said, I have my bias, but then I'm not married to my bias. I have an idea when I have an idea and I play to that idea. If I see something different or other opportunities open up, I'm adjusting to that. You know what I'm saying? Omaha, you know what I'm saying? I'm adjusting to the defense, you know what I'm saying? I want to either protect my capital or capitalize on opportunity. So, and at the same time, it's always the same way. It's like good defense is always a lot of times a great offense. You know what I'm saying? So it's like that. And so I think we're gonna run up to that next, because of the higher time frame, I think we're gonna run up to that next fair value gap before we potentially have a turnaround or just continue up. I would like to see some uptrending structure, which would be cool. That 4 hour is powerful though. I mean, that thing likes to run, bruh. So it's nice to be able to get your opportunities on a smaller time frame and get up out of there. Yeah, so I'm off today. You see, I'm at the crib in the office, and then I'm back at work Tuesday afternoon. We off Wednesday. And then, oh no, I'm working 10 hours tomorrow. I'm doing the whole shift. Okay, cool. And then the day after, I'm not working Wednesday, back at work Thursday. Cool. All right, man, that's all I got for y'all, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. This is the update on The Office. Yeah, like I said, we're continuing to document the journey. Man, I'm proud to see everything coming together, and can't wait to drop this other video, man. Let's do the damn thing. Hopefully this brings you some value. Happy trading, man, y'all. Hey, protect your equity first, and then grow the equity. All right, remember that. All right, we out of here. Peace.